So let's talk about something that every C6 car owner eventually thinks about, at least most of us. Should you drive Skinnies on your C6 Corvette? And before you comment, just don't. I've actually done both. I daily drive my C6 on full width performance tires, and I drive it on Skinnies daily. So this is a theory and it's not internet bench racing. This is from real world experience. So let's start with what people usually mean when they say Skinnies, because most of the time we're talking about a narrower front tire, sometimes paired with a slightly narrower rear, usually for drag racing, looks, or even efficiency. For me, it's all three. On a C6, that might mean something like a skinny front setup instead of a factory wide stagger. And yes, the first thing that everyone worries about is safety. So let's address that right away. Because daily driving Skinnies is not automatically unsafe, but it is very different. So let's start with the good, because honestly, there's some real advantages. First, the steering effort. With Skinnies, the car is going to feel lighter up front. At low speeds, parking lots, tight turns, the steering is noticeably easier. If you've ever wrestled with a wide tire C6 in the grocery store parking lot, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now with Skinnies, it just glides. Second, the ride quality. This one surprises people because narrower tires often have taller sidewalls and can actually soften the ride. On rough roads, expansion joints, potholes, daily driving stuff, Skinnies feel more forgiving than that ultra wide, low profile performance tire. And then third, you got road noise. Wide tires love to sing. Skinnies are quieter. On the highway, less tire roar. Less vibration, less of that constant hum that wears on you during longer drives. And then fourth, you got fuel economy. Yes, is it night and day? No, but it is noticeable. Less rolling resistance means the car doesn't work as hard to maintain speed. If you daily drive your C6, especially on highways, you'll see a small improvement in miles per gallon. It's small, but you'll see it. And then there's the drag racing side. If you're running Skinnies up front for the strip, daily driving them means you are always ready. No swapping wheels, no jacking the car up in the driveway. You just drive. And yes, the look is amazing. For me, it is all of the above. Some people love the skinny front drag setup. Some hate it. That part is subjective. But now we want to talk about the bad, because there are some real downsides and you need to be honest about them. First, and the biggest issue is going to be traction. Skinnies give you less grip. That's not an opinion, that's just physics. During aggressive cornering, emergency maneuvers, or sudden lane changes, the car will not feel as planted. If you're used to pushing your C6 hard on back roads, Skinnies will force you to recalibrate your driving style. And then you got braking. This is the one people underestimate. Less tire contact patch means longer stopping distances. Not dramatically longer in normal driving, but in panic braking situation, it matters. You have to leave more space. You have to be more aware. And then third, you got the wet weather conditions. Rain exposes everything. Skinnies can hydroplane easier depending on tread design. If you daily drive in an area with heavy rain, standing water, or sudden storms, this is something you can't ignore. You just can't ignore it. And then you got stability at speed. At highway speeds, especially above 70 or 80, wide tires give you confidence. Skinnies can make the car feel a little more nervous. Not dangerous, but more sensitive to road grooves, wind, and uneven pavement. And then the fifth thing is alignment and wear. Skinnies can wear unevenly if your alignment isn't dialed in. And because they aren't factory intended width, you need to keep an eye on tire pressure and wear patterns a little more closely. Now let's talk about the reality part of it. Can you drive Skinnies on your C6 Corvette? Yes, plenty of people do. But should you? Well, that's going to depend on how you drive your car. If your C6 is a commuter, highway miles, cruising, light throttle, occasionally fun pools, Skinnies can absolutely work. If your C6 is a canyon carver, aggressive cornering, track days, hard braking, pushing the limits, Skinnies are going to feel like a downgrade, and in reality it is. This is where personal honesty matters. Another thing people don't talk about enough is mindset. When I daily drive Skinnies, I drive differently. Not worse, just smarter, more aware, more defensive. You stop pretending that the car is glued to the road. You respect it more. It's not necessarily a bad thing, but if you want maximum confidence in every condition, Skinnies will test that confidence. So let's talk about the compromise setups, because it's not all or nothing. Some people run Skinnies up front and wider rears. That keeps rear traction for acceleration while reducing steering effort up front. Others run slightly narrower than stock, not full drag Skinnies. That's often the best daily balance. You don't need the skinniest tire possible to see the benefits. And here's the part that no one wants to hear. Your Corvette was designed around wide tires. Everything from suspension geometry to stability control expects that grip. When you change tire width, you're changing the personality of the car. You're not ruining it, you're just changing it. For me, daily driving Skinnies is fun. It makes the car feel lighter, simpler, and more raw. When I switch back to wider tires, the confidence comes back instantly. Cornering, braking, high-speed stability, it all feels more locked in. So here's the honest answer. If you want comfort, lighter steering, better mileage, and drag-ready convenience, Skinnies can work as a daily setup. If you want maximum grip, safety margins, and performance driving confidence, wide tires are still king. There's no right or wrong. There's only trade-offs. And that's really the point. Know what you are giving up. Know what you are gaining and choose that setup that matches how you actually drive your C6, not how you think you drive. If you've driven daily Skinnies, drop your experience in the comments. If you're thinking about it, go ahead and ask questions. Ask as many as you want. And if you're still on the fence, try it, because nothing beats first-hand experience. I'll see you in the next one.